Guys, this is something that we need to consider. It's major and it could have geopolitical implication. So a major oil power just walked away from one of the most powerful energy alliances in the world. The United Arab Emirates is reportedly exiting OPEC, and markets are already bracing for impact. So what does this actually mean, and why is this such a big deal? This isn't just another policy change. If confirmed and fully implemented, this could reshape how oil is priced, how much gets produced, and who really controls the global energy market. Because the UAE isn't just any member, it's one of OPEC's most important players. According to reports, the UAE plans to exit OPEC and its extended alliance, often called OPEC Plus. In an official style statement, the move is framed as part of a long-term strategy focused on increasing production flexibility and adapting to a changing energy landscape. Translation: the UAE wants more control over how much oil it produces and when. Here's why this is huge. The UAE accounts for roughly 10 to 13% of OPEC's output and is one of the few countries with spare production capacity. That means it can ramp production up or down quickly. If it decides to pump more oil independently, it could increase global supply, put downward pressure on prices, undermine OPEC's ability to control the market. Then that is going to have a ripple effect on the market, and it's going to be significant, right? If it can do all of those things, then chances are OPEC's control is going to be diminished, right? There are a few key factors driving this. Frustration with production quotas, especially tensions with major players like Saudi Arabia. Economic pressure. The UAE has been navigating financial strain and shifting global demand. Geopolitics. With instability around the Strait of Hormuz affecting supply routes, stepping away from OPEC gives the UAE freedom to act in its own interest, especially in uncertain times. If this move holds, the ripple effects could be massive. Oil markets could become more volatile. OPEC's influence could weaken. Other countries might rethink their own positions. In short, this could be the beginning of a shift in the global energy power structure. One thing is clear: when a major player like the UAE changes course, the world pays attention, because this isn't just about oil, it's about power. And they say it's a global market. The old order, the old world order is changing. There's going to be a new order. Who are going to be the superpowers? I think it's going to be more than one person. I think Iran is going to be there with the war that just happened. It shows Iran's strength. It shows their capabilities. So yes, they're going to be a player. We know China is going to continue being a player. We know Russia is going to be a player, and the United States. But I think the leverage that the United States had on global market in terms of just everything, that has diminished. And you know why? Trust is gone. People no longer trust the United States has that beacon on the hill, and has that, because they are not isolationists. They believe in just looking after themselves. And once they went there, then other countries say, well, I need to take care of mine. I need to invest where my country will benefit, and I don't have another United States president dictating what tariffs to raise, how it's raised, whether it goes to the court and the court shut it down or not. It doesn't matter. We are now going to take control of our own society. So that is all the cards are on the table. So I guess that's what war does, right? It reshuffles the deck and everybody now has a fighting chance, a fairer chance, because it has now reset. It is now reset and everybody now has to fight for their own. And that is what we're seeing in the global market space. So anyway, guys, that's what I wanted to bring you. This is a status check report. Obviously, there's going to be more updates. Who else is going to want to leave? Who else is now going to take control of their own oil market, right? Will Iran be charging a toll? We don't know. The world has changed. Things have changed, right? So anyway, guys, that's what I wanted to bring you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you never miss a beat. See you in the next one.